Let's get to it. Just went to the gas station and get the C4. We're on the way to the gym. It's leg day. We're in the SL55. And I'm gonna drop the top, man. I'm gonna have a good time. Is it up? You have to hold this. Clean. Oh, that's nice. Oh man, that's so nice. That was my first time dropping the top on it. That's right. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, I got it a week ago. I literally got the car a week ago. Blah. Probably can't even park here, but check that out. This is like picture worthy. This is for like memories too. I gotta get a picture for this. Oh! I was not expecting that. That was fun. Oh, I went the wrong way. I was not expecting that. I forgot I turned traction off. Better go before they call the cops. This alright? I know you guys weren't wondering why I keep holding my drink. It's because I don't think this car has any cup holders. I couldn't find them. They're not here, they're not here, they're not there. I have no idea, guys. I guess you're just supposed to buy a car with that's $120,000 with no cup holders, right? I think the car was trying to, oh, he's trying to get up on me. What is that, a Mini Cooper? He's really trying to get up on me. Can't let nobody get up on you guys. Come on. Especially when you're in a supercharged V8 from 2004. My bad, I keep mixing it. I don't know if it's 2004 or 2005, my bad. I keep messing it up. This is fun though, I'm not gonna lie, this is fun. I'm content. Especially for the price I got it at. I just can't beat it. I got it like 3 times less than retail. And it's like immaculate. Like, this is super clean. This is like showroom condition. Like, this guy literally garaged it every day. He was telling me. He babied it. Then you got me who just, you know, just drives it. It's probably never been driven like that. This car's barely waking up. Like this, that little drive was probably like the most action this car has ever gotten in its entire life since 2005. Alright guys, we're almost there. Let me see what it sounds like. I'm curious to see what it sounds like. Kind of muffled as expected. Oh shit. shifter sounds like. Sounds like a piece of plastic just. You know what it sounds like? It sounds like a computer, like when you type, look. I'm typing right now. Alright guys, we're here. Appreciate you coming along for my journey.